Hey there, everyone. It is the night of the 21st, heading into the 22nd. An extremely active tropical west pack out here. We have Typhoon Soulik and Typhoon Cimaron continuing to impact Japan here, and really a lot to talk about here. So let's unbox this. First, I do want to talk about Soulik. Still moving off towards the northwest, right now passing just north of Amami-jima, and really continuing to bring those typhoon strength winds. One thing that you really notice right off the bat, though, is this exceptionally large eye around that center of circulation. That really is just telling us we did have some drier inflow, but it kind of got reorganized as it moved over the Gulf Stream here. So you have this area right here, just right now, actually pushing right over Amami, southern areas of Kagoshima. That's where you have those highest winds, where we are going to be seeing those typhoon strength winds. The good news for those of you out towards Okinawa, it is passing well towards your north, so you're really not going to be seeing the worst of the weather. In fact, really the worst that you're going to be seeing is well over with as this tracks off towards the northwest. Great image from the Himawari 8 satellite, by the way, just at sunset as that pulls off here. Let's take a look at the track from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. And you can see here this actually takes it off there towards the northwest and eventually recurving, passing off towards the west coast of Korea. And this is something I am a little bit worried about here. Seoul has not been impacted by a full-fledged typhoon in some time. That's JTWC. Take a look at JMA's forecast as well, also taking it over there towards Seoul as we go ahead into Thursday. Millions of people live there, plus if this crosses over towards the DMZ, it really could make a big mess for people that live out in that area. Let's take a look at the Meteor app here, and I really like to use this because it gives you a good idea of not only the winds, the track, but also the precipitation shown in blue here. And tracking this off here as we go ahead in the Wednesday over towards Thursday. By the way, this is using the ECMWF app, and it pulls over Seoul there by Thursday evening. One thing is you still have that flow of moisture wrapping it around it, still could be impacting parts of Kyushu. And then if we pull back the picture, of course, we still cannot ignore Cimaron, which is going to be moving on shore around the Kinki region here on Thursday into parts of Shikoku as well. Big threat of rainfall throughout the day on Thursday, even over towards Friday as we look ahead here. So right now we have these dual systems we're going to continue to watch. Sasebo, I know you're under a storm watch, and so are a lot of the U.S. military bases out here in the western Kyushu as well. Just something to keep in mind for the U.S. military watching, or if you have friends overseas, you're kind of worried about them. They all are under a storm watch, at least at this point. The good news, especially Western Japan, built for these storms. I'd worry more about these areas off towards Seoul and into Korea here. Actually, take a look one more time at the JMA forecast, just showing you that track going off there towards the north. Meanwhile, though, take a look at Cimaron's forecast. We're going to continue to track this one because overall that is going to be coming on shore there around the Kinki region, and also over there towards even Tokyo still could see some impacts from that storm system. I'll pull it up right here. We go. Let's just take a quick look at that track here from Cimaron. And this is the JTWC forecast, just showing you there, tracking off there towards northwest, coming on shore as we go ahead into Thursday and then off towards north. Still plenty of moisture flow coming around it, so I think the big threat with that one is going to be the rainfall. So today, though, doing this forecast update using open source broadcasting software. If you are curious why it looks a little bit different, just trying this out. I like to use this from time to time, get my face on here too, and really kind of relay in a short time period what's happening out here, especially when it is in the moment. Right below me, you in fact can see that radar. Let's pull it up. When I'm making this update, the storm system just passing right over Amami, very large eye, almost donut shaped out of this. So really those outer rain bands hitting Amami-jima right now, definitely the highest of the winds up to typhoon strength gust. You can follow at iCyclone on Twitter. He is putting out some great updates actually from Amami there. And over the next several days, I'll keep you guys posted on how this does develop. Also, follow me on Facebook at Robert Spetta Meteorologist, or you can also check out Pacific Typhoon Season on Facebook. A lot of great information being shared there. You guys stay safe out there. Just a quick video update on Typhoon Soulik. Continuing to pass over Japan, moving towards the northwest, and Cimaron over the next several days.